Parle un peu français.
Oui.
J'ai étudié français à l'école James Madison.
Nous avons une grande victoire avec TPS.
Oui, une grande victoire, mais maintenant, j'ai essayé d'obtenir citizenship.
You come here, many of you don't have much money, but you work hard for yourselves and for your children. And by working hard for yourselves and your children, you create a better community for Brooklyn, for New York, and for America. Immigrants are our future. Immigrants like the people from Haiti are our future. And that horrible Donald Trump would pick on immigrants. He had no idea how wonderful immigrants are for America. But folks, elections make a difference. And we elected Joe Biden and kicked out Donald Trump. And we